Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be changing the colour of my fog lights. In order to do this, I've got the Autobeam ambient fog unit, so I can basically change the colour using Bluetooth, which is amazing because as you've seen on, or as you might not have seen, on one of my previous videos, I've actually changed my DRLs from white to pink. How fabulous! If you haven't watched that video, then make sure you click on the banner above, and also these are available on More Talk. So I'll leave the link in the description for these and also these as well. So go and check it out. Go and check out the merch. We've got new merch. And then, yeah, let's get this fitted. So this is the box that it comes in, and with every single Autobeam product, it's got the features, specifications, what's in the box, literally everything that you'll ever need. 5 years warranty on these ones. And yeah, let's get it open. There should be 2 units. And then I'm guessing something to plug to the battery. So here's the 2 units. So these basically, from what I can see, look like the normal fog units. Take that off, and obviously it's got a load of wiring and a lot of wiring to hide behind the fog light surrounds. And then in this bottom box we've also got these, so we're going to be connecting these to the battery, and it's basically the Bluetooth controller. This just allows the fogs to get power. First things first, we need to take the fog light surround off. So in order to do that, I've just got like a squeegee thing. I'm gonna pop it under, then work my way along just to get the clips out, and then that will give us access to the fog light unit. So we've got the fog surrounds off, and obviously I've got me colour match keynotes by More Talk. You know where to go for them. But once we've got that off, as I mentioned, it will give us access to the whole fog light unit, and then using a Torx 25, there's 3 bolts, one there, one underneath, and one round here. So I'm just going to take them off, and then yeah, we'll change the bulb. So now that we've got the screws out, we've got easy access to the bulb, which is literally just a twist and a pull. And then in order to release the bulb, we've got 2 little clips here. So we just basically pull up these flaps and then pull it out. Like that. And they're the bright white ones, not the ugly yellow ones that come standard from Ford. The connections for these new ones are the exact same as the Autobeam ones, the LED ones, the white ones, just to make it a little bit more complicated. So basically it's just plug in, and you'll hear 2 clicks. That just means it's secure. Pop that behind. I was going to take that off anyway. Thanks. And then what do you do with this? That is the question. I'm going to whiz through this side, and then I'll come back to the battery controller. Bluetooth controller, I meant. You didn't see that. So now I think the Bluetooth controller needs to sit up in the engine bay somewhere. So I'm going to open the engine bay. So open yours too. And then we'll both figure it out together, it's fine. It's toasty in there. With this thing, what I'm going to do is basically just pop it in and grab it from the top. I probably should have done it the other way around, dropped everything through and then fitted it, but I like to be awkward, so if you're going to do it, I'll probably do it that way rather than doing it this way. Just get it past the boost pipes, that's the only problem. Can you see that at all?
Yeah, I can actually.
Well, can you grab it for me then? Look at that. Amazing. So maybe you do need two people if you are going to do it this way. So, nice hoodie by the way. So it looks like the wire is long enough, obviously, because it needs to connect to the Bluetooth controller. So we've got these things. It just connects into there. So we're going to do the other side and then connect them both. So if I can have my glamorous assistant again, please. So now we've got both of the controller wires up into the engine bay. We're just going to connect them onto the Bluetooth connector and then connect that to the battery. Put everything together and then it should work. Right, now we just need to figure out where we're going to hide all of these wires. So basically what I've done is I've hidden the wire down here, so like the Bluetooth controller down here, followed it underneath the intake pipe all the way around and then just stuffed the rest down there. So because I've got a battery cover, I do need to take that off. Just two little nuts, which I've already loosened off. And then just pull it up. And then we just need to take a few bits off, connect it all up, and then jobs are good. So the red wire needs to go under here, that's the positive, and then the black one needs to go at the back. That is the negative. Lift the case up, and I'm just going to loosen off this bolt here with a 10mm socket. Basically just enough so that the red wire fits underneath, and then tighten it all up. There we go, now that's going to be stuck in place there. So put it to the side instead so that the cover can come down and clip back into place, hopefully. There we go. And then same with the back one. Loosen off this bolt. Oh god, that's a bit tight. Right, I'm going to use a ratchet instead. There we go. Loosened off. Loosen it off just enough so that we can get the negative behind it. We go from the top, other side. There we go. And then tighten it all up in place. There we go. So now, as you can see, both sides are lit up, and then I just need to download the app and basically change them to whatever I want. But first of all, I'm going to put everything back on, and then we can go through the funky settings. Time to crack on. then on the Bluetooth controller, there's a little QR code, so I'm just going to scan that with my phone. This will then bring up the app that you need to download. So it's called Happy Lighting, Life with Smart. I've already downloaded it, and this is basically where you can choose all the colour options. So we've got some presets saved, colours there, however there is some styles. So like purple pulsating, rainbow pulsating, rainbow jumping and flashing. You can also do it to a song. I don't know why I think this app likes Ed Sheeran. You can also do it to voice as well, and you can also time it as well. So we are going to go obviously with the pink, like the purpley pink to match the DRLS. So we're going to test some colours out at the moment. These are just on the automatic setting, which is the RGB setting. On this side, all I can really see is just like little speckles of blue and green, and then on this side, it's basically just like pink and purple. So we tried the red one. Well, that looks angry, doesn't it? There's the green, dark blue, yellow. We've got hot pink. Yeah, that's nice. And then we got purple. Now this will probably match my DRLs a little bit better than the hot pink one. That actually looks unreal. And then we've got the more talk blue, which is very nice. And we'll have a little gander at the styles section. So this is just rainbow pulsating. That's funky. Then rainbow jumping. I feel like I'm at a bloody party. And then rainbow flashing. Now I feel like I'm actually at a rave. But yeah, if we want to pretend to be police for all those yobbos out there. So obviously these are the ones that match the DRLs quite nicely. So there we go, that is how you fit the Autobeam LED ambient fogs. Now, as I mentioned at the start of the video, these are available to buy on the More Talk website along with the new merch, which is beautiful. So I'll leave a link in the description, go and check it out. Please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.